Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Panasonic KX-TG3411SX digital cordless phone. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the device, some Panasonic branding on the top left, the model number underneath it. We can also see that the device works off 2.4 gigahertz frequency. Underneath that, we have a couple of the salient features, which include an easy to read illuminated dot display and a 15 name and number phone book. On the bottom left, we have the 3 color variants in which this device is available. The white one has a sticker on it, which means that we have the white variant of the device. The left hand side of the package has the similar branding and image of the device, and once again we see the different color options. On the right hand side of the package, we can also see that the device works off 50 or 60 hertz power supply. On top, we can see the salient features once again. Here we also have some information that no RoHS specified chemicals or substances were used in the manufacturing of this phone. And on the right hand side, we have a sticker which has some of the importing and manufacturing information. On the bottom of the sticker, we have the information regarding the customer care details. On the bottom of the package, we have some information regarding the accessories that are included along with the device in this box, which includes an AC adapter, telephone line cord, and a couple of batteries. On the back of the box, we have another close-up image of the phone, and we can see the details of the display and the speaker unit. On the left-hand side, we have a few of the salient features, which include a smudge-free design. The ringers on the handset are 14 melodies and 6 tones. It also has a caller ID function with 50 station logs, but this function is a subscription function that can be enabled via your telephone company or telecom provider. Next, we have 5 redial numbers, a wall mountable base unit, battery life of up to 10 hours of talk time and 6 days of standby time, and rechargeable batteries are included in the box, the AAA kind of batteries. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. Now that we have everything out of the box, we get some literature. First up, we have some important safety and regulatory information. Next, we have a warranty card which can be filled out to avail the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next, we have a pretty thorough operating instruction guide or user manual, and this should help you get started off with understanding the various buttons and the settings of your cordless telephone. Next, we have your RJ11 cord. We can see the interfaces on each end. It's approximately 1.5 meters long, and this is what gives you the telephone connection. We also have the power cord. It has a standard 2-pin Indian plug on one end and a standard barrel type connector on the other. Both of these cables go into the base unit on the underside. While we have the base unit, we can see that it has a black matte finish on the top. The Panasonic branding is right here, and the 2.4 gigahertz frequency band is displayed as well. On the underside, we have the 2 ports for the power and the telephone line interfaces, and we have some serial number information underneath that. The model number and some Panasonic branding is there on a sticker as well. There are also a couple of anti-skid pads, so it won't move around when kept on a smooth surface. We also get a couple of batteries, AAA, and that can be put into the cordless device. These are rechargeable batteries, and they are from Panasonic as well. So let's get started off with powering on the device. The moment the batteries are placed into the cordless device, the device turns on and it is ready for use if it were connected to the telecom lines. You can use the D-pad to go through the interface. We can see that it has the speaker unit right on top, Panasonic branding underneath that, a small display underneath the branding, and we have a few buttons right underneath that. First up, we have the phone book button. Next, we have the OK button. And to the right, we have the program or P button. On the left hand side, we have the talk button. And on the right hand side, we have the off button. We also have the C and flash buttons. C is the clear button and the flash button is self-explanatory. The D-pad is also has multifunction buttons. For example, the left hand arrow button can be used to access the caller ID. The top and bottom buttons can be used to increase or decrease the volume. And on the right hand side, the right button can be used to redial. Underneath that, we have the alphanumeric keyboard. On the front, we have a mix of glossy and matte black. And on the back, we have a mix of glossy and matte white. On the underside of the phone, we have the two connectors that go into the base unit. As you can see, it is pretty sturdy and the phone wouldn't fall out even if shaken around a little bit. So this was the unboxing of the Panasonic KX-TG3411SX digital cordless phone. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.